Hazel Ortiz and Supermom Aaron Davis.
Joining us on stage is bench active endorser and Miss World Philippines 2021, Tracy Marie Perez.
Supermom, congratulations to Supermod Imelda Schweinhart and Supermod Carlo Adorador.
Joining the award presenter are the multi-awarded and blockbuster actor Agamula and GMA primetime and box office queen Marian Rivera Dantes.
Congratulations. If y'all like to take a few steps up for your beautiful photo op. So good. Congratulations. Oh, we just love to see it. Family is so important. Congratulations, you guys. And thank you to our
The showbiz royalties right here on the stage. Again, we got Miss Marian Rivera and Mr. Agamula. My gosh, dream come true for me. Good evening. Good evening, finally. Hello, Miss Marian. Alright, before anything else, would love to say hi to all of the people watching us right now. Miss Marian?
Hello, good evening everyone. Excited na ba kayo? Kung sino mapipili namin?
Oh,
Parang
definitely.
hirap eh, no?
Masaya. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. It's just an honor to be here. Judge.
Well, it is our honor and privilege to see you guys right here in the flesh, diba? I know you guys are busy all the time, got lots of things on your plate. Pero ano ba yung mga ilan sa pinagkakaabalahan nyo ngayon?
Ladies first.
Ladies first, of course. Super bot.
Siyempre, unang-una yung pamilya ko dyan. Siyempre, sila yung top priority ko talaga. And then after, ayan, meron akong sinimalaya na ipapalabas this coming August.
Can't wait for that one, definitely. At least right now, you got that toy truck out of your hair. I saw that footage coming from Sisto, di ba? Okay, that was a cute moment. And you, sir, I know you have a new sitcom.
Well, congratulations also. You just got married.
Thank you. And my wife is actually there.
Yeah,
As my super partner.
there you go.
Okay. Thank
Ako
you.
naman, we started doing our sitcom for the family. I'm finally working with my wife and my 2 kids. And then aside from that, we're going to start filming this August, September for the Metro Manila Film Festival. And pagkatapos nila, nung 2019 kami, tapos sila naman, and then ako naman ngayon.
Uy, ang dami nga abangan talaga, no?
Masaya lang. And it's also time with the family always, of course. And syempre, nagpapapayat para makasali sa Sutebag.
Uy!
May pag-asa pa pala eh, diba? Sabi nila, may nakita ko 52 years old. Kaya, Goma!
Grabe ang ngiti ni Sir Goma, oh.
Kaya natin yan.
Can we expect you guys next year to join the Superbox?
Next year, ang tagal.
Oh, kailan ba pwede magsimula?
Next month, ulitin namin ito.
You heard it from my favorite doctor himself, Doc Aga.
Thank you.
Okay, pero syempre, we go back to family and priority talaga ang family, no? But now you are part of this growing family with Century Tuna. Right now, you've been selected as the judge. Can you take us to that moment? Ano ba yung naging proseso at pakiramdam nung nag-contact kayo or kinontact kayo ng Century Tuna to be the judge for the evening?
Well, siguro, ang unang pumasok sa isip ko, alam kong mahihirapan ako. Kasi kanina pa lang, tinignan ko isa-isa, sabi ko nga kay Kuya Aga, paano tayo mamimili? Pero ibang lahat sila, panalo na ha? Kasi ang basta parang pinaghandaan, nakaka-inspire. Tapos behind that, may mga kwento sila eh. So yun yung mga gusto ko din malaman kung bakit nila ginawa at bakit sila sumali.
Actually, yun ang maganda. Presence and essence. The fitness and the fundamentals. Diba? How about you, sir?
Well, it's just the same thing sa akin. Parang, everyone worked hard and I know what it takes really to parang maging ganyan ka. And katulad sa akin, I'm coming from umabot ako ng 250 pounds and try to cut back. So it's mahabang proseso. It's tough, it's hard, but it's doable. So I know how it feels. So congratulations to all the Superbots.
Definitely. What we're after here is your best you ever.
Fight. Tsaka happy lang.
Happy lang talaga.
Happy lang always.
Best versions of yourself.
And of course, I want to thank Century also for having us. Maraming salamat.
Thank you. I know the family is here. Maraming salamat for mounting this gargantuan event. Okay, we mentioned the criteria for judging. Presence and essence, di ba? Pero para sa inyo, ano ba personally yung factor para maging isang supermom? Kasi just looking at you guys are really the definition of supermom.
Plus points naman talaga kung paano nila pinaghandaan yung mga katawan nila, pag-exercise and pagda-diet. Siguro para sa akin, kung paano nila dinala yung sarili na, kung paano sila magbibigay inspirasyon sa ibang tao na gawin yung ginawa nila. Para sa akin lahat.
Inspiration talaga.
Ganun talaga. Hindi na sasabihin ko. Pareho talaga. It's really hard work for all of them, and pinag-uusapan ko nga kanina, sinabi ko kanina parang kailangan seryosoy mo yung pag-judge talaga dito dahil, everyone worked really hard.
Yes.
And it helped change your lives also if you win. And even if you don't win, panalo ka na agad because of how you took care of yourself.
We got 35 finalists, no? Grabe yung preparation, grabe yung ang dami talaga kasi actually nahirapan yung Century na pumili ng ating finalists kasi everyone has that potential to be the champion talaga. But kanina, just recognize the super moms and super dads just like you guys, super moms and super parents and super dads. Ano ba yung mensahe nyo or piece of advice sa mga kapwa nyo, mommies and daddies para mabalance yung role nyo as parents, syempre, first and foremost, while staying healthy and active?
Mahalaga kasi yun eh. Pero syempre, bago ang lahat, alam natin priority yung family. Pero paano mo gagawin na extend for your family yan? Dapat sa sarili mo buo ka para mabigay mo 100% para sa family mo. So mahalaga yung pagbabalance mo sa sarili mo, sa pamilya mo, sa mga ginagawa mo. Kasi pag buo ka, lahat ng 100% love, maibibigay mo yun.
Oh my gosh, that was a beautiful answer. Thank you so much, candidate number 1. with some swag. And she danced while answering that question. Okay, how about you, Daddy Aga?
Sa akin din, it's pretty well balanced, of course, like what Marian said, family, aside from that, also you gotta take care of yourself. Because kung wala ka naman, paano mo maalagaan yung pamilya mo, yung asawa mo, mga anak mo, if you don't take care of yourself. And I can speak from experience also, during the pandemic when I gained so much weight, it was really hard, it was really tough. And for many years now, we're trying to lose weight, stay healthy, to keep up with my kids and my wife. And it's been a tough journey, but ang gusto ko lang sabihin sa lahat is never stop, parang sige lang, just fight, just keep on fighting, never surrender. Because there's light at the end of the tunnel always. You gotta look forward and move forward. And we're getting there. Roma. Diba? Ayun na. Ganito ang mga edad natin, diba? 50s. Been there, done that.
But always step forward. Move forward.
Move forward because you do this for yourself and then everyone around you is also okay.
Thank you so much. And thank you for that quick conversation. Please put your hands together for Miss Marian and Sir Aga Mula. Maraming salamat. And now, maybe we request you to get coffee in your seats. We'll be having a discussion later on.